Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to download Fansly videos. So if you've seen websites claiming they can download any Fansly videos, then here's what you should know. You can only legitimately download Fansly videos if the creator has provided a download option or otherwise given permission. Most premium Fansly videos are intended to be viewed through the Fansly platform and do not include a download feature. So you need to avoid any third-party download websites or browser extensions that promise to save locked Fansly videos. And if you want offline access, then you need to check whether the creator has officially made the content downloadable or offers downloads through their membership. Otherwise, the intended way to watch the content is directly through your Fansly account after purchasing or subscribing. So that was what you need to know about downloading Fansly videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.